Hi, welcome to Paper Tales by Kunali, and this is the 5th episode of our ongoing series of making a photo frame from scratch. And today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this lovely leaf. It's beautiful, it's colorful, and it's very easy to make. And it has quite a few variations which I'll show as we go on. Now for that leaf we need strips of paper in shades of green and a little bit of dark green and brown, glue, your quilling tool and tweezers. So let's begin. So there are two styles to this leaf. So I'll show you a portion of this first. This is separate altogether, so we'll work with this first and then we'll move on to these singular leaves, segments of leaves. Okay, so for this we'll start, as you can see there are three segments over here for this one singular leaf, and we'll start with making that. So I have taken a strip of paper. You have to take 3 such strip of papers in different colors, and each strip of mine is 12 inches tall and 3.5 millimeters wide, as you always know. And what we'll do is we'll start rolling this. Now to roll you can use your regular quilling tool or you can use this mechanical one, whichever you are comfortable with, and you start rolling. Since I do a lot of quilling, this is much faster for me. And because I'm working with this quilling tool, my strips, the rolls which I make are usually loose. So I always tighten my roll using a tweezer. Now what we do is you've got a perfect roll every single time. Now what we'll do is we'll expand it to about 3/4 of an inch. So increase this like this and you apply glue. Just a little, not a lot, just a dab. Press it down with your quilling tool so that it doesn't unfurl. And now what we'll do is we'll adjust. So you adjust and unfurl it till you are happy. So each segment in this roll has to be almost equidistant. Now what we'll do is, since the portion where I've stuck the strip is over here, we will put it on the side and we will give it a pinch like this and you're left with an eye shape. Now what we do is we take a dark strip of paper. Here I'm taking a brown strip. I have some leftover from an earlier project, and what we do is we apply glue. As you notice, I always have a darker color or a shade around me. It's a little extra work, but it looks really gorgeous and it gives a nice finishing and it pops up wherever you place it. So if you place it on a white background or something like that, it'll look really good and it'll pop out. So one circle around it and you cut off the excess part by hand. And there we have it, a nice eye shape ready. Create 2 more of these. Like so. And now what we'll do is, once again, we'll keep a brown strip ready with us. Leave it like this. And what we'll do is we'll give this a shape. So you hold it like this and you pinch it into an S shape, like so. 1, 2 and 3. You can add a bit of yellow in the center if you want. Whatever different colors you want to add, you can add. And this is how we're going to stick them. Create 3 of these and we'll stick these together. Now you apply glue over here, just a little bit, not a lot. And because you've given them a particular shape, they'll fit exactly beautifully together, like so. Another bit of glue. Press down on it like this, and what we do is we'll apply glue so that none of these come apart. We will once again surround them with paper. Make sure you stick every bit of it. Cut it off, and there we have it, a lovely leaf. It's beautiful, it looks nice, and you can use it just as it is with a flower. So I have this flower, the first one that we made, and we can put it like this, and it looks gorgeous. Now, but we are not stopping over here, we are creating a bigger leaf. So this one we leave aside. So it's just, you can use it in many different ways, however you want. You can make this into a colored flower and make 5 or 6 petals of this and make a flower out of that too. So that works beautifully too, right? So now you leave this aside. One more thing we need to do is we need to cover this up with a strip of paper, like so. So you apply glue over here, now you leave this aside and we'll work on the singular petals or leaves. Now I have, say, this green strip of paper, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start rolling it exactly in the same way that we done with the first roll. Now for this, for the side leaves, we have to create 6 different leaves. So you use 6 different colored green strips of paper, or you can add a bit of yellow or orange also to it, but try and use different shades so that it adds a little allure to your leaves and it adds a little color to your project, your final project. And you create a roll that is about ½ an inch wide. Now apply glue. Use your tweezer to press down and unfold, 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 adjust, adjust, adjust. This is good enough, and We have to check where we've stuck. Yeah, it's stuck over here on the side. Leave it on the side, press down like this and pinch it. Once again, create an S shape. The style remains the same, only the connector that we are using for this is a little different. So you apply glue on one side, use your brown strip of paper, apply it over here, and over here. And instead of chopping it off here, what we do is we'll leave a little extension. So this is what we are going to stick to this. So you know for a fact that it's going to stick well. And you create 6 of these. You can create longer, you can create more of these also. You can create probably 8 of them also. That's perfectly fine. So there we have it, 6 segments. We'll divide them, different colors on both the sides, and we're going to just assemble this. It's fairly simple, it gets ready in just a few minutes, and it looks really beautiful and intricate. And that's what I love doing with my leaves and flowers. I love creating intricate patterns so that it looks like you've done some work, you know, you've put in some effort, and it looks different. There we go, our leaf is ready in just a few steps. It looks really gorgeous and different. These will complement our flowers beautifully. This I've done very simply. I've just used 2 strips of this paper, a dark green and light green, and I've just rolled them into an eye, the first eye which I had shown before making these. Just that, nothing else, and everything else remains the same. So I hope you like this idea. I hope you give it a shot and let me know how you liked it. So as you can see, we've already made these lovely flowers and leaves for our upcoming series. I'm also working on something really interesting where I teach really intricate details and designs, probably mandala patterns, something for your home, something for your car, something to gift somebody, intricate wall pieces and everything, and that is going to be under a subscription model. So if you want to check that out also, those videos will also be up starting July. So I hope you check them out, you watch them, you support me a little bit. I would be really thankful for that. And in the meantime, like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.